Honorable guests and my dear students, on 7th April 1948, an organization was founded under the umbrella of the United Nations and was named as World Health Organization (WHO). From its inception at the First Assembly of United Nations 1948 and since taking effect in 1950, the celebration has aimed to create awareness and to work on international health, specifically to acclimate, prioritize, and to focus on crucial aspects of public health. Each year, a theme is selected by WHO for the World Health Day. This year, the theme is to focus on healthy beginnings, hopeful futures, which will urge governments and the health community to ramp up efforts to end preventable maternal and newborn deaths and to prioritize women's long-term health and well-being. Today we have students from all over Pakistan as well as overseas to share their views on the given topic. Dear participants, I would now request Mrs. Sadia Rashid, President Hamdard Foundation Pakistan, for greetings and opening remarks.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. President of the conference, Dr. Mukhtar Hussain Bhayu, Chief Guest, Professor Dr. Zaryab Setna, also from WHO, Dr. Badr Munir Sahab. It is an honor and privilege to welcome you all to the 33rd International Children's Health Conference on World Health Day 2025. Today, we come together under the theme Healthy Beginnings, Hopeful Futures, a theme that resonates deeply with our mission at Hamdard Foundation, Pakistan. This conference continues a legacy of 3 decades of advocacy, awareness, and action in promoting children's health. Before moving further, I would like to congratulate our chief guest, Dr. Zaryab Setna, who was conferred with the award Hilal-e-Imtiaz by the President of Pakistan on March 23, 2025. WHO has been a beacon of hope in shaping policies, providing resources, and mobilizing efforts to ensure a healthier world for mothers, newborns, and future generations. I extend my sincere thanks to the distinguished personalities present here today for their valuable contribution towards the cause of maternal and child health. The urgent need for action. Tragically, the numbers speak for themselves. Currently, nearly 300,000 women lose their lives every year due to pregnancy or childbirth-related complications. Additionally, over 2 million babies die within their first month of life, and another 2 million are stillborn. These are not just statistics. These are preventable tragedies, lives that could have been saved with timely intervention, better healthcare systems, and collective global efforts. Even more concerning, 4 out of 5 countries are off track in meeting their maternal survival targets by 2030. Similarly, 1 in 3 countries will not achieve the set targets for reducing newborn deaths. This stark reality calls for immediate and decisive action. We firmly believe that the health of mothers and babies is the foundation of strong families and thriving communities, ensuring a better future for all. As part of the year-long campaign, today marks the beginning of a renewed commitment to strengthening maternal and newborn health. We must raise awareness about gaps in the maternal and newborn survival and the need to prioritize women's long-term well-being. Encourage collective action, ensuring that not just governments and organizations, but communities and families play their role in supporting new parents and healthcare professionals. Provide essential health information to women and families regarding pregnancy, childbirth, and postnatal care. A call for collective action. Ensuring a healthy beginning for every child is not just the responsibility of governments or healthcare professionals. It is a shared responsibility. It requires the combined efforts of policymakers, medical practitioners, civil society, and individuals to create a world where no mother or child dies due to preventable causes. As we embark on this 33rd International Children's Health Conference 2025, let us reaffirm our commitment to maternal and child health. Let us work together to ensure that every woman and baby not only survives but thrives, paving the way for a hopeful and healthier future for generations to come. Thank you, and may our efforts today lead to a brighter, healthier tomorrow.